In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Eneba discount code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go over to your web browser and search up Eneba discount code and click enter. So once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see this website, vthrift.com. You're gonna click on it. So once you've clicked on the website, you're gonna see many codes. So for example, the first one is save 50% off games, gift cards, and in-game purchases. So to use it, all you have to do is click show code and it's automatically gonna copy the code. So barbaric is the code. So all you have to do is go to their website, you can choose your products and you can use this code at checkout to get a 50% discount. There are many other codes as you can see. So there is a 5% off all purchases and this is the code -5. Similarly, there are many other codes, but I would always recommend you to go for codes which have a higher success rate. So as you go down, the success rate gets lower. So that's why stay high and use all these codes which have a good success rate. Now I'm going to head to some other website and show you a few more codes. Next, you can head over to this website, Drive Easy, and you're going to wait for it to load. So once you're there, you're going to see many codes again. So for example, the second one right here says enjoy 10% off your total purchase. So you can click get code and you have to verify yourself, so you have to type in what you see in the captcha. So SB, it's a capital I and a 9. You're gonna click verify and it's gonna show you the code. So this is the code right here. You have to do is copy, click on go to eneba.com, choose your products and use this code at checkout. Similarly, there are many other codes. You can go ahead, click on them, verify yourself and use those codes. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.